On this episode of The Lonely Ad, we're teaming up with Ocean Springs Fresh Market to bring you this Berry Delight dessert.
Ooh, qué rico. That's so good.
We're highlighting produce from local vendors to show you how you can shop local and make healthy, delicious food. When I make pancakes, there's always a little batter left over. So instead of just throwing it out or making a few more pancakes, save it. And you can make this nice dessert. So here we have some leftover pancake batter. I have some fresh blueberries and we have some fresh strawberries. You can always find some local honey. And actually what I don't show here is mint. So I'm gonna grab some mint from our herb garden. We're gonna put a little mint on top of it. So all we're gonna do is take our pancake batter, fill up a muffin tin. We're gonna add some blueberries for a filling. And then when it comes out, we're gonna drizzle it with some honey. It's gonna be so good. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I can assure you that the person you make this for is gonna love it. It's been 20 minutes and I can smell the cinnamon, so let's take it out. This looks really good. They're nice and hot. I'm gonna let them sit for about 3 to 5 minutes and cool down, so hopefully I can pull each one out in one piece. I'm gonna drizzle this honey on while it's nice and hot so it can soak into the dessert. It's time to plate our dessert. There we go. This is me patting myself on the back because this looks so good. Strawberry for the top. The moment of truth. Let's just add some extra honey.
Ooh, qué rico. That's so good.